Hi everyone, welcome to the Sewing Swan. Let's make some beautiful, easy fabric tulips. A beautiful gift for any occasion, especially Valentine. You will need some fabric of your choice for the flowers, fabric for the stems. I'm using felt fabric today, the green one, for the leaves to save a lot of time and effort trying to finish the leaves. You will need some food sticks, pins, fabric scissors, paper scissors, a marker or a pen. I'm using this fabric adhesive today, some poly, and you will need two templates, one for the flower petal, for the tulip itself, and one for the leaf. They are available on Google, many free for you to download and use. I just traced these from my laptop screen into the paper directly, and then I just traced them again on harder cartoon or paper for easier use on the fabric. Use the template you made and just trace it on fabric on fold. So each time you trace it, you got two pieces for one flower. And also do the same with the leaf template. But make sure that when you cut it, you cut inside the line, so no color stays on the remaining fabric, because this will be the final cut of it, but these will be sewn inside, and the fabric, the marks on fabric will not be seen. Simply cut one out, pin it, and just cut around. Do it your way. Whatever your leaf template is, I like to have one of the edges looking this way, so it's easier to wrap afterwards around the stem. Place a pin or more and cut carefully on fold. The stem, this is about 1¼ inch width by the length of the stick, and it should be a little bit longer of your petals. Cut and sew each two right side together with 1/8 inch seam allowance, leaving an opening is about ½ inch from the open at both sides to fill in. So you just right sides together, and you start and end with a back stitch, and all around leaving an opening for all the petals. And here is the sewn petal. Once you sewn them all, now